Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to design anything using Canva and the ChatGPT plugin in 2025 step by step. So whether you want to make a social media post, business cards, thumbnails, presentation, this combo of Canva and ChatGPT will save you hours. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on ChatGPT. Over here, when you log in into your account, you need to make sure that you are using the ChatGPT Pro or the Teams plan because the plugin option will be available in that plan only. Now here, once you have the plan available, simply hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of Explore. Over here, once you are in this particular section where you see all of the GPTs, you can use the search bar and search for Canva. Now, once you are able to find the Canva icon over here, you just have to click on it and you need to install it and activate it. So this is going to allow ChatGPT to connect directly with Canva to create your designs instantly. Now, once you are inside this particular section where Canva plugin is activated, it is showing you canva.com, but we are here in ChatGPT as well. You can just simply type your request. For example, you can just simply give it a prompt that can look something like this. Create an Instagram post promoting a summer sale, bring colors and modern layout. Now, ChatGPT will instantly generate a Canva design, which is link for you. So you can just simply click on it and then you can make changes into it if you want, or you can download and start using it for your project. So this way you will be able to design anything with the help of Canva and ChatGPT. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.